Hi everyone, I am Meenal. Welcome to my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you I make videos on makeup, fashion and lifestyle. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you for being here and welcome back. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and join the family. So today's video is all about this makeup look right here, which is a wedding guest makeup look. This look has been super duper in for the wedding season right now, and I thought of recreating this and sharing with you guys so that you can also easily recreate this, because this is a very simple yet elegant look. Although it looks very difficult, but it is very simple and elegant to achieve. And if you want to achieve this look, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with a primer. Here I'm using Inside 3-in-1 primer. Primer is very important if you want a long lasting and even makeup base. It fills all the pores and gives you an even surface to work on. Apply it all over your face and neck. Next, I am using Revlon Color Stay Concealer as an eyeshadow primer. Just apply it all over the lids and blend it evenly. For eyeshadow, I have used eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. I love this palette. Here I am starting off with black color and applying it all over my eyelids. Next, using this light brown color, I have applied it on the crease and blended it properly so as there are no harsh lines and black color matches with your eyelids. Next, using this light champagne color, put it on the inner corners of your eyes as to make eyes appear more open and to give it a pop. Coming to the base, here I have used Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights and Maybelline Fit Me Foundation together. Taking a pump of Skin Light with 2 pumps of foundation and mixing it together will give an even finish and a slight glossy look. I'm dabbing it all over my face and neck and blending it with a damp brush. Here I'm using ample amount of foundation as I'm going for a heavy base. If you don't want that, you can use a less foundation. Always use a damp brush as it is so much easier to blend and also helps to avoid patchy makeup. Next, I have used the concealer to conceal my under eye circles. Apply it in the shape of V so as it mixes well with the rest of the base. Apply it on the bridge of your nose, cupid's bow and on cheeks above where you will contour. Next, I am using my contour palette and using the darker shade of brown to contour my cheeks and jawline. Make a fish face and dot it from your ear to halfway of your cheek. Apply the same on the jawline as this makes your look face slimmer. Now, I don't like to go heavy on contouring, only slight is enough. Next, I am setting all this up with a pressed powder by Naleo. I have been experimenting with products and this product was one of it. I won't say it's awesome, but well, it does the work. For blush and highlighter, I am using my favorite palette by Makeup Revolution. Smile and apply it on your cheeks. One important tip
for choosing the right blush is always choose the color that appears on your cheeks when you are exercising or you're out in the sun. That is the perfect color for you. Coming to the highlighter, highlight your cheekbones, bridge of your nose and your cupid's bow, basically all the high points of your face. Coming to the most important part, eyebrows. I love brow artists from L'Oreal. I like to fill in my natural brows and follow the natural shape of my eyebrows as it looks super natural. For liner, I am using Maybelline Colossal Liner and going with this thin line and a small wing. And doing the same for the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm using Kajal by Lakme and I'm lining my waterline. Always remember to apply it on the top waterline as well, as it helps the kajal to stay for a longer time. For mascara, I have used two mascaras as I won't be using fake eyelashes. Applying it in a circular motion as to give your lashes more volume and lift. And don't forget your bottom lashes. Now for lips, I have combined two lipsticks from Lakme and Huda Beauty to get a very natural matte lip color with a hint of pink in it. The first color is pink, and to lighten it up and to mattify it, I have used a nude matte lip color. So this is a tip for all you people who don't want to buy a lot of matte lipsticks but still you are in love with matte colors. Just buy a very nude and natural matte color from a very good brand and you can apply it on any of the lipsticks and it would give you the same effect as a matte lipstick. Now this look is incomplete without sindoor, so glam it up with some powdered sindoor. I have also added some long earrings to make it look better.
So this was it, you guys. As you can see, it was so simple yet super elegant. If you recreate this look, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. If you have any questions regarding this look, you can comment down below. You can also let me know if you want me to do any sort of videos. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you have liked it and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be you, be beautiful.